Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about enlarging shapes and finding the perimeter and the area of enlarged shapes. Question 5 here says, square A is enlarged to produce square B by scale factor 4. The area of A is 25 centimeters square and the perimeter is 20 centimeters. Work out the area of square B and then work out the perimeter of square B. Now, answering these questions, we don't need the shape to be drawn. We can use the facts that they gave us and use the factor that we are working with. Now, first, let's talk about finding the area of the new shape. If you want to find the area of enlarged shapes, you just take the area of the old ones or the small ones, write it here, 25, and then multiply it by the factor, which is 4. And then because it's area, then it's squared. So we take the square and put it on the factor. Remember guys, we put it on the factor only. We don't put it on the old area, only the factor. And these are the steps of answering this question. So we take what? We take the old area or the area of the old shape or the small one, we put it here. And then we take the factor and put it here, we multiply them by each other. And because area is squared, I put square on the factor. And then I answer the question. Now, you can use the calculator to find out what's 25 multiplied by 4 squared. Let's go use the calculator and then come back. So, 25 times 4 squared. And 4 squared is 4 times 4. Very good. And the answer is, very good, 400. Now, let's go back. So the answer is 400. Let's make it another color. Yes. 400 centimeters squared. And this is the area of the enlarged shape. Now let's talk about the perimeter of the enlarged shape. Same idea with the perimeter. We take the perimeter of the old shape, or the small one, we put it here, and we multiply it by the factor. And because the perimeter doesn't have any square on it, we don't put anything on the factor. We leave it the same. And we multiply the old perimeter or the perimeter of the small shape with the factor or the enlargement factor. Now 20 times 4 is what? Very good. It's 80. Now we write the answer here. And it's centimeter, not squared, okay? Focus on this, guys. Always learn to differentiate between the units. The area is always squared, and the perimeter is not squared. Good. Now, to say it again, we're going to use the same area to find the area of the new shape. We're going to use the same area, put it here, and then use the factor and put it here, multiply it by the area. And then because the area is squared, we're going to use it here on the factor. And we will have the answer, which is the area of the enlarged shape. With the perimeter is the same thing. We're going to use the perimeter, put it here, and then use the scale factor, put it here, and multiply them by each other. And we don't use squared because the perimeter is not squared. After multiplying, we will get the answer, which is the perimeter of the enlarged shape, which is 80 centimeters. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.